birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. To you. Happy birthday 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 to you.
Hello, have a very happy birthday. लकी गए सुधा ने काफ़ी कुछ प्लान किया हुआ है और मुझे टेम्पलेट से बोलना है, तो लेट मी हैव अ लुक. 3 things I like about you. I think you are a very good person, social to be with, and a nice person to be with. That's all I feel. I like to be around with you, and you are never hesitant. I mean, I don't feel any hesitation while talking to you about anything. One unforgettable memory, अपना दिल चाहता है trip where probably you guys were drunk and I was not, and yeah, still you know what would have happened. Wish you a very happy birthday, and I think it will be nice if we get to meet together and do this sometime rather than on a video. I think it will be nice if we get to meet together and do this sometime rather than on a video. So together and do this sometime rather than on a video. So together and do this sometime rather than on a video. So hope to see you soon, and do visit us at Excite. Thank you.
Hi Mukesh. Hi Sudha.
Hi Sudha. Hi
Happy
Mukesh.
birthday to you Mukesh.
Many happy returns of the day Mukesh.
3 things she like about you.
मुझे सबसे पहले तुम्हारा घर पसंद है, which I am flattered. Second is your car.
और सबसे ज्यादा
Most importantly your wife. Jokes apart, I like your simplicity. और the unforgettable memory I have with you is
your Euro trip.
unfortunately your Euro trip is unforgettable memory for me also. Anyways, enjoy the day. Happy birthday
Happy
again.
birthday to you.
Bye.
Bye.
मुकेश.
हेलो मुकेश भाई, क्या हाल चाल है? बर्थडे आ रहा है, हैं? बधाइयाँ
आ गया है.
विशिंग यू वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे.
और बता क्या चल रहा है?
अच्छा, टू द पॉइंट.
पल्लवी फर्स्ट.
अच्छा, 3 थिंग्स. अच्छा, फर्स्ट इज यू आर वेरी हेल्पफुल. सेकंड, यू आर वेरी जेन्युइन. एज ए फ्रेंड यू आर वेरी वेरी जेन्युइन.
कमीना नहीं बोला तूने? कमीना भी तो बहुत है.
थर्ड कमीना.
पर जो भी है भाई, भाई अपना है.
या एंड वी मिस यू गाइस. एंड वन अनफॉरगेटेबल मेमोरी.
वन तो नहीं होंगी, वैसे बहुत होंगी.
बहुत होंगी,
But,
लेकिन वायनाड का जो ट्रिप था वो अनफॉरगेटेबल था.
वायनाड था, गोवा था. वायनाड की जो रात की ड्राइव थी मुकेश और मेरी, सॉलिड थी बारिश में.
अच्छा.
बिल्कुल बारिश हो रही थी बहुत. फिर एक बार मुकेश और मैंने, शायद आई थिंक आशीष भी था. वी हैड ए वेरी वेरी गुड कन्वर्सेशन. दारू छत पे बैठ के दारू पी हमने. दैट वाज वेरी गुड. दैट वाज अनफॉरगेटेबल. बस भाई आजा, एक चक्कर लगा ले.
हाँ यार, आ जाओ, अब चक्कर लगा लो.
ठीक है, एंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन.
छोटे
नाइस आइडिया.
तू भी है लाइन में.
नाइस आइडिया. चलो, मिस यू गाइस.
बाय बाय, हैव फन.
Very, very happy wala sexy birthday. I wish you to continue to be the amazing person you are. I love the way you look at the life, which is simple yet grand. You are very,
You see, sir,
very happy
I can
wala
talk
sexy
English,
birthday.
I can walk English, I
wish
can
you
laugh
to
English
continue
because
to be
English
the
is a very
amazing
funny
person
language.
you are. Trustworthy and an extraordinary company. भगवान आपकी सारी तमन्नाएं पूरी करे. भगवान तुझे आयशा टकिया और परिणीति चोपड़ा एक साथ में दे. और भाई जब मिले तो मुझे भी बुला लेना.
Hello.
Congrats on getting older, Mukesh. You're 39. I don't want to wish you happy birthday, but 39. I don't want to 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 wish you happy birthday, but congrats on getting older. Sudha reached out to me and she texted me a day or two back and she said, Soumya, you have to do this. And well, here I am and I'm doing this for you. So, things that I know about Mukesh. Mukesh really tries hard to be funny. He tries so hard to be funny, and most of the times he really doesn't succeed with it. He's constantly on Facebook. You can find him anytime on Facebook. Anytime I'm online, he's on Facebook. He's awesome. He's a sweetheart. Sudha, you need to know that when your birthday was coming up, he planned so hard for your birthday. In fact, both of us were chatting and he was like, Soumya, tell me what I need to do for this girl. He wanted to put together a bunny cake for you, which I know he did. And he's a sweetie. I wish you the best of luck. We worked together and that's how we know each other. But we've become such good friends in the past. I just wish you the best of luck. And you're an awesome guy. You really, really are. You're such a nice guy. You're a sweetheart. See you later.
Okay, Mukesh, firstly, a very, very happy birthday. I've known you for a while now, and I think one thing what really keeps you different from others is the fact that you're such a clean soul, and your dedication to work is something that I look upon. And I keep being a wedding planner, I keep telling my clients that if you want your pictures to talk to you, you have to hire Mukesh and Sudha. They are that brilliant. So, and I see that in you guys, and that's exactly why I say that. Otherwise, I wouldn't. Continue being the same person that you are, very upfront, very dedicated, very hardworking, and I'm sure you guys are gonna go miles, miles further. Lots of love. God bless you, and once again, a very happy birthday.
Hello Mukesh, very happy birthday to you. Have a blast. Mukesh was one of the early joiners in Cosmic and one of the key person responsible for growing Cosmic from the initial early stages to where it was in 2013. His contributions to both technical as well as people development were immense. Okay. On the technical front, the biggest thing that I can remember was his coding of op-amp optimization for A2D converters, as well as executing high-end A2D converter projects. But more important was his relationship with his co-workers and peers, and it helped the management actually keep in touch with the concerns and the requirements of the people joining, the young kids that were joining Cosmic. And that was an invaluable gift for Cosmic Circuits. On the fun side, I still remember the annual day dance. I forget the song itself, it's my problem, but the dance is still etched in my mind. The kind of dance that he choreographed was really great and it was fun watching it. His involvement in various other fun activities, whether in sports as well as in the annual day functions, have been very well received by the people, and we had a great time with him. I do hope he has a great future ahead and a great life. Enjoy this party at this moment and hope you have a great and successful, happy life going forward.
Happy birthday to you. Happy, happy birthday to you. Are gare samjhe magar asashi ko per rahe curfew. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sunday, birthday, Sunday, birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday to you.
Acha, before I start, let me wish a very, very, very happy birthday to me. आज मेरा बर्थडे है भाई. देख इसे कहते हैं दोस्ती. अपने बर्थडे में भी मैं तेरे लिए वीडियो बना रहा हूँ. चल, now let's move to your birthday. Let me wish you, okay? जब तू ये वीडियो देख रहा होगा उस दिन तेरा बर्थडे होगा. A very, very, very happy birthday to you as well. अब सुधा ने मुझे 3 क्वालिटीज बोलने के लिए बोला तेरे बारे में. ऐसे तो तुझ में यार 1000 क्वालिटीज हैं, लेकिन आज ना एक भी याद नहीं आ रही, सीरियसली. चल फिर भी मैं ट्राई करता हूँ. एक तो सीरियसली तेरे में एक ट्रू लिबरल ट्रेट है. You are a very creative person and above all a very good human being at heart. I still remember, when we had our first shoot, we instantly got connected with each other. And more or less we started our career, this second career together, right? And so we have that connection, so which I really like about our friendship. So हमेशा खुश रह, enjoy कर, and I hope Sudha and you have a great birthday. Bye bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mukesh. On this special day, I'll wish you very good luck for you.
What's up? How you doing?
Oh, what's up? How you doing?
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा. हाँ. Hi सुधा. Hi मुकेश. क्या हाल है? Long time. Anyways, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday
Mukesh.
Okay, so first thing, most memorable moment.
My most memorable moment was when you told me about my Vidai. I mean, I don't want to get sentimental here, but that's what comes to my mind first.
Oh, when he cried.
Yeah, actually, yeah. I mean,
Huh.
I didn't see it, but still, when you told me, I felt it.
Yeah, my most memorable moment was again during Vidai when Niti's Bhaiya Sushil Bhaiya was recording the whole thing with his phone, and then
He was playing.
because for him it was not sentimental enough,
Most important.
so he was playing all the sad songs in the background right close to Niti's ear, and
And despite that, I was not crying.
and Mukesh was looking at me helplessly like. And I cannot forget that sight. So that was my most memorable moment. And 3 things about Mukesh.
The first thing which I totally feel is how easy it is to approach you, how easy it is to connect to you. It's just wonderful, no big deal. I mean, didn't feel like you were a photographer. You came across as a friend, and we're still friends. I love that.
Okay. Second thing is the way you look at Sudha. When you just adore Sudha, and
Yeah, it's like those two hearts we can see.
and seriously, there's another unforgettable memory that I have. And third thing, and that goes without saying, is your photography.
Yeah, and your passion.
for photography, your diligence, your love, your art. Mind blowing. We are still blown away with.
Yeah, and I don't remember where I saw you, but I remember talking to you once, and I remember seeing your bloodshot red eyes, and you were like, "अरे यार रात को edit कर रहा था pictures."
So, anyways, on that note, many happy returns of the day again, and happy birthday. Talk to you
God
soon.
bless you. Bye.
Hi Mukesh.
Hi Mukesh and hi Sudha. Well Mukesh, I guess it's all thanks to Sudha that you're watching us. So
Sudha asked us to do these 3 things for you. So we're gonna keep it strictly to the point. No, but frankly, the 3 things that we really like about you are that you are extremely modest. The first time I realized that you're from IIT and you're still being modest, it's a very big thing for me. Second is you speak only when it is absolutely necessary. Otherwise, it's like a lot of people just keep on saying things without meaning, but I felt you are very genuine. Third is, although you show that you are very poised and uptight, I feel that you are extremely emotional. And one unforgettable memory is of the sprinkler, right?
yeah, I guess it was during our photo shoot. We had 2 days. We were very fortunate that you guys shot us on both the days. And I guess it was on the second day when we were looking at something fun and exciting. We were just driving across a field, and all of a sudden Mukesh spotted this sprinklers area. And he said, why not, let's just get in and let's have some fun.
And
And
the
we were a
moment-
bit skeptical because we were
the-
like, are you sure we
The
want to
moment
get
we came
drenched?
out of the moment we came out of the sprinkler, you said that no, the shot is not proper. You all both need to go in. And then even after that, you said that no, I can't pull this photo off. But in the final album that you gave us,
It
fantastic.
was perfect. I guess
Perfect.
we both personally enjoyed that particular day and that shoot. And I guess it's all thanks to both of you all.
So we are here wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday, Mukesh.
Yes. I hope you enjoy your day and
Best
Just-
wishes to you for the next year.
yes. Bye.
Hi Mukesh, happy
Wishing
birthday.
you a very happy birthday.
You're the best.
Okay. We just love the way you're passionate about your work and your simplicity, and the fact that you make us look really good together.
Thanks for that, Mukesh. I appreciate.
All right. Keep loving us because we love you a lot. Happy birthday.
Mukesh, my date with Sudha is still pending.
No, don't let that happen.
Chai date,
Bye.
chai.
Ta-da! Happy birthday, Mukesh, and all the very best for your future and all the success in your life. The very best thing which I like about you is तू हंसते ही रहता है, तेरा पूरा खानदान हंसते रहता है यार, तुम लोग कितना हंसते हो, you, your wife, your sister-in-law, your parent-in-law, सारे के सारे हंसते रहते हैं. How do you manage to so much? And to tell you, you have got a very good wife. Your better half, the most great, very good wife. Your better half, the very good wife. Your better half, the most creative half. Okay, यहाँ पे सिर्फ तेरी बात हो रही है. So you, to tell you, Mukesh, I find your work so amazingly good now. For what you started and what you are now, you're amazingly good. And I find you totally in a very different level altogether from what you were and what you are now. And to tell you, you definitely have eye for the beauty. You can see things so beautifully and you can make it look so beautiful and amazing, and your pictures are full of life. इतनी जान है उसमें.
Hi Mukesh, here's wishing you a very, very happy birthday. This is a brilliant idea by Sudha to make all your loved ones come up with a video wish to you. I was asked to say 3 nice things about you. Now that's difficult, but all I can say is you're a very genuine person and I love the way you put across yourself. And I know for a fact, because I've seen it at my wedding and all through my functions, if you say ye acha nahi lagega, I would always say yes, he means it, because it's not easy to open up and be frank and honest with everyone. So yeah, it was amazing experience, and I really wish and hope all the best in your life always. And I must say, you're very lucky to have Sudha in your life. I'm also biased towards females, just the way you guys are. Lots of love to you from me. Happy birthday again.
Very happy birthday to you, Mukesh. Continue the good work. Keep making people happy, which you're already doing it very well. Have a great year ahead. Lots of love to you and Sudha.
Happy birthday,
Mukesh uncle.
Yes, uncle.
Mukesh uncle is very
Nice.
nice. Is he nice?
Yes, uncle is really nice.
Yeah?
Happy birthday, Mukesh. Have a lovely year ahead. You are one fantastic photographer. All the best for your career.
Hi. Happy birthday. Have a great one. And lots of love to you and Sudha.
मैं अक्सर उससे घर जाया करता था. मैं द्रविड़ नगर में रहता था और वो गुमास्ता नगर में रहता था. तो मेरे जो नियरेस्ट फ्रेंड्स में वो एक था. क्योंकि हम घर से बाहर रहते थे तो घर का खाना कहीं मिलता था, तो घर से अपने हाथ से खाना बनाते थे. तो उसके घर जाते थे तो उसकी मम्मी वो आलू गोभी के पराठे खिलाती थी और बहुत टेस्टी होता था. और उसका मुकेश का स्टडी रूम उसके घर के फर्स्ट फ्लोर पर था और पूरी सेटिंग थी वहाँ. उसके पूरी सुविधा पिताजी ने उसको और उसके पेरेंट्स ने काफ़ी उसको ध्यान दिया था. और जो आदमी उसने चाहा, मैं जैसा किया था, और जो आदमी उसने चाहा, मैं जैसा उसका मैं जानता हूँ, उसने जिसको चाहा उसको दिल से चाहा।
तुम होती तो कैसा होता?
जो उसने किया जान लगा
तुम ये
क्या था। और जो आदमी उसने चाहा, मैं जैसा उसका मैं जानता हूँ कि उसने जिसको चाहा उसको दिल से चाहा। जो उसने किया जान लगा दी, अगर नहीं चाहा तो छोड़ दिया। तो कोई भी काम उसने आधे मन से नहीं किया। और अगर वो आउटस्टैंडिंग इंटेलिजेंस में नहीं थी, लेकिन उसमें आउटस्टैंडिंग हार्ड वर्क बहुत था उससे, और उसी के कारण आज इतना ऊपर पहुंचा है। और मैं उसकी हार्ड वर्क को एक ट्रू डेफिनेशन उसने दिया, और उसके जन्मदिन पर उसको बहुत सारी बधाई।
कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा बेटा हमारा, ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा बेटा हमारा, ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ।
Hi Mukesh. Three things I need to tell about you. So there are multiple things, but let me tell a few things. So first thing is that you're a very cool guy, very friendly person, very easy to move with. And second thing I like about you is that you are very practical towards life, and I like your approach towards life. So I sincerely wish that you continue that way all throughout your life. And one unforgettable memory I can't tell because there are many things, but the most important thing that I like is that I like our long walking chat on every week that we do on Friday evening, which is something where we discuss about all things, which is something I really liked a lot. So, well, have a nice day, happy birthday, enjoy, bye bye.
खतरू साहब, जन्मदिन मुबारक हो. Sudha had asked me what are the three things that I like the most in you. पहली चीज़ तो आपकी स्टाइल है, चलने का, बोलने का या कार चलाने का स्टाइल आपके वजन के साथ बहुत सूट करता है आपको. दूसरी बात है ज़बान हाथ पे, यानी कि कमिटमेंट दो, खुश रहो. और तीसरी चीज़ मुझे बहुत पसंद आती है, वो है सिचुएशन झंडा सर, टेक इट इजी सर, लाइफ इज़ कूल. Well, you are the coolest person that I have seen in any situations, man. For a while, at least in the office. Happy birthday once again. May God bless you. Have a good and a prosperous life.
Okay. Hi Mukesh. I got a call from your wife to talk something about you. So it's been nice knowing you and working with you. Few things that I like about you are you're very calm under difficult situations. You're very straightforward and open when you try to talk to people. That helps at times. And few things that I'll never forget is the way you try to directly pass comments about somebody. I don't want to take the names here, and I am sure you'll realize whom I'm talking about. And wish you a very, very happy birthday. Hope you have a good day and have a good year ahead. Thank you.
When Sudha first asked me to wish Mukesh on his birthday and create this in a video format, I was pleasantly surprised. The usual, the memories that I have with Mukesh are mostly mostly of fun times that we shared together. We went to this camping in Nagarhole and Dandeli, and that was a lot of fun. We went for river rafting and did a lot of activities. And during the night time, campfire and all the booze that you can drink. and we were drunk, like drunk beyond recognition. uh, so yeah, it was a lot of fun. And oh yeah, so yeah, we both like eating. And during one of those trips to Nagarhole, I remember that we probably single-handedly demolished one entire species of roosters. I think we ate up so much of chicken that finally there was a huge pile of chicken bones on both our plates. Good things about Mukesh, right? So I have seen Mukesh almost on a daily basis in the last 10 years, right? Working with somebody that you get to spend a lot of time with that person. You get to know that person. uh, you know so yeah, in the last 10 years I've seen Mukesh change quite a lot. Well, change for good, actually. My first memories of him, regarding his work, he used to be a workaholic, complete workaholic. He would spend all his living hours in office going nuts, going crazy over the assignment that he has been given to him. But I've seen him change over the years. He is one of those rare people who I find has been able to create some kind of balance between his professional and personal life. And that's one quality that I admire. But at the same time, I think in my opinion, I think if this guy thinks of doing something, if he really wants to put his mind to it, he really can excel at doing that. I have seen quite a few examples of that. And one of the things that comes to mind is I think at this moment he believes in living his life to the fullest. Although it might sound a cliche, but I see him trying to work his hand in so many hobbies. Basically, he tried learning guitar. Then at one point of time, we both me and him were talking so much about DSLR camera photography and stuff. And finally, he decided to put his mind to it. And now he really enjoys that, and he takes great pictures, and he can definitely count me as one of his fans for his photography. My birthday wishes for Mukesh, simple wishes. I wish him a very happy and prosperous life ahead, and I sincerely hope all his dreams come true. I hope he keeps people around him happy, and keeps himself happy. That's it. Yeah, keep rocking, Mukesh, and have a good birthday. Have a good good party. Call me. Let's have some fun together again. Bye bye.
Hi Mukesh, how are you? I think you are fine there, and Uncle and Auntie also, and Sudha also. After a long time, we are here on this moment. Wish you a very happy birthday to you. I just want to share about your past life with Uncle and Auntie and Sudha. What was that time your favorite actor, your favorite things? अक्षय कुमार, जो कि तू बहुत सोचता था इसके बारे में, हमेशा वही बातें करता था उसके बारे में, और उस तरीके से हमेशा बिहेव करता था. योर लाइफ स्टाइल दैट टाइम बड़ी रैगिंग का माहौल था, लेकिन हमारा स्टाइल वही था. कोई भी हम दो, कोई भी सीनियर हम दो, हम हैं तो बस हम हैं. तुम्हारा पढ़ना, मैं बोलता था यार मुकेश, तू गाने सुनता रहता है, पढ़ता रहता है, आज भी तेरी वो लिसनिंग थिंग्स मुझको याद है. पढ़ते वक्त तो एक टॉर्च के अंदर एक कैसेट लगा के तेरे फेवरेट सॉन्ग सुनता था, साथ में पढ़ाई करता था. अकेला कंपटीशन था आवा के साथ में, उसको भी तूने सक्सेस लिया. 99.93% तेरा आया जब तेरा फ़ोन आया और हम लोग साथ में गए थे स्कूल के अंदर उस ओकेज़न पे साथ में गए थे, आज भी मुझे याद है। मुकेश अंकल एंड आंटी, हम वो दिन मैं कभी ज़िंदगी में नहीं भूलूंगा। प्राउड, यू आर माई फ्रेंड। विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू मुकेश।
Hey Mukesh, how are you doing? Quite an incredible journey of friendship that you and I have shared. It's special in its own ways. You and I share a very unique bond, I would say, or a connect that I could say, that both of us are lucky enough to try and live our passion as our profession. Me on stage and you with the camera, and always you've been a sign of inspiration whenever I look up, saying here is somebody who's just living it up all, who's just making every day count, and who's trying to put no restriction to try and live his passion out there. And you and Sudha have constantly inspired me at the outset. Obviously, being close friends, we've never had time to try and have such senti dialogues, but here's an opportunity to try and make that sentiments across via this video. You inspire us in your own way, and not just doing or living your passion, but doing it so awesomely well. The world waits for your visuals. As I kept saying in my words, I believe that you've got magic at your fingertips, and I've been one of those lucky fews who've not been a client of yours, but managed to get some awesome work for myself. I consider myself truly lucky and blessed. I look forward to it time and again as well. Also, your zest for trying to live up life completely, be it the holidays that you live it up constantly. It's reduced off late, we've been noticing it, but it's time that you stop making so much money and start doing your holidays. But your urge to try and live life on the fullest is quite incredible. You inspire us in your own sweet way, and keep doing that. There is so much amount of magic, so much amount of love. You must have seen people show so much of love on a photograph, but for the first time you're finding people showing so much amount of love on a photographer, and that's what you are. And just like the famous dialogue goes, you're actually a living inspiration for that zindagi badi honi chahiye, lambi nahi. And our life has to be big and not long, and we've learnt it our way, and I'm trying to follow it in my own sweet way. And keep doing that, and keep seeking to your passion, and let's make it one hell of a life to count. Happiest of birthdays to you. It's going to be a one special birthday for you, and this year may be the best year of your life. God bless you and Sudha. Love you all loads. Cheers.
My dear Muku, many happy returns of the day. The 3 things I like about you is तू बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है, तुझ में बहुत ज्यादा गट्स है, और तू जो भी चाहे तो वो कर सकता है। और तूने आज तक 7 years of marriage में मैंने देखा है कि तूने जिस भी चीज़ में हाथ डाला है, you are able to excel it. मतलब मैं तो तेरी टोटल फैन हूँ। बताओ, वाइफ भी कभी फैन होती है, पर तूने मुझे बना दिया है। एंड तेरी जो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स है वो अमेजिंग है। कोई भी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो तो कितने छोटे से स्टाइल में बिल्कुल छोटे से सिंपल सोल्यूशन देके तू उसको सॉल्व कर देता है, और मैं तुझसे ना फिर से इम्प्रेस हो जाती हूँ। एंड योर फोटोग्राफी, वाओ, मेरे इस दुनिया में तुझसे अच्छा फोटो किसी ने नहीं खींचे और कोई खींच भी नहीं सकता। एंड योर केयरिंग एंड लविंग नेचर, मुझे इतनी सारी इम्पोर्टेंस कभी किसी ने नहीं दी, और मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है जब तू मुझे खूब सारी इम्पोर्टेंस देता है। मुझे सब हमेशा मैं तेरी प्रायोरिटी होती हूँ। जब तू मेरे साथ शॉपिंग करता है, जब तू मेरी हर बात मानता है, और मैं जो बोलूँ उसमें वो मेरे साथ करने को तैयार हो जाता है मेरी खुशी के लिए। मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है जब मैं तेरे साथ होती हूँ, तो मुझे लगता है कि मैं कोई क्वीन हूँ, क्योंकि तू मुझे इतने सारे भाव देता है। और मुझे बड़ा मज़ा आता है जब मेरे सारे दोस्त जलते हैं मुझसे, क्योंकि उनके हस्बैंड उनको इतना भाव नहीं देते और मेरे को इतने सारे भाव मिलते हैं। मुझे तो इतना सारा ध्यान रखता है। सो आई फील आई एम द मोस्ट luckiest person on earth, and I always thank to God कि मुझे तू मिल गया। पता नहीं कैसे मिल गया, बस मिल गया। एक बंदा जो इंटेलिजेंट भी है, जो बहुत अच्छा राइटर भी है, जो इतना अच्छा फोटोग्राफर भी है, और मुझे पता है तू कुछ भी करे तू तो उसमें मतलब फोड़ देगा। और ना मुझे हमेशा लगता है ना कि तेरे को स्टिल CIB में होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जब अपन क्राइम पेट्रोल देखते हैं और जिस तरीके से तू सॉल्यूशंस देता है ना, वो लोग भी नहीं कर पाते हैं। तो मुझे लगता है कि तू मतलब बहुत 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 इंटेलिजेंट है, और तू बहुत लविंग है, और तू हमेशा ऐसे ही रहना। द अनफॉरगेटेबल मेमोरी, जो तूने मेरे लिए ना और कुछ टेस्टिमोनियल लिखे थे ना, वो मैं कभी नहीं भूल सकती। शादी के पहले वाले भी और शादी के बाद वाले भी। उससे पता चल रहा था कि तू मेरा कितना, तुझे कितनी पसंद हूँ मैं, और तू मेरा कितना सारा ख्याल रखता है। और इसके बाद मुझे अपनी मनाली ट्रिप बहुत पसंद है, मुझे अपनी हम्पी ट्रिप बहुत अच्छे से याद है। और सबसे स्पेशल मेमोरी है अपनी यूरोप ट्रिप, जब मैं बीमार पड़ी और तूने मेरा इतने अच्छे से ख्याल रखा कि आई फील कि उसने ना मेरी ट्रिप को अनफॉरगेटेबल मेमोरी बना दिया। आई सो मच इंजॉयड दैट सिकनेस, आई कांट इवन टेल यू। मतलब दूसरे कंट्री में रह के भी तू मेरा ध्यान भी रख रहा था और प्रॉब्लम को इतने अच्छे से टैकल भी कर रहा था, और तू बिल्कुल भी नहीं घबराया, और तुझे ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि हम कोई कंट्री से बाहर है। तो तू ना मतलब कंप्लीट पैकेज है यार। मतलब तो इतना अच्छा है ना कि जितना मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था। मतलब सोच ही नहीं सकती, क्योंकि एक इंसान में इतनी क्वालिटीज थोड़ी होती है। एंड मेरे जितने भी ड्रीम्स थे ना, वो सब तूने पूरे किए। मतलब और तूने वो भी पूरा किया है जो मैंने कभी ड्रीम में भी नहीं देखा। तो मेरी जो पूरी हैप्पीनेस है ना, वो सिर्फ तेरे कारण है। तो आई लव यू सो मच, एंड हम हमेशा ऐसे ही रहे, और तू हमेशा इतना ही इंटेलिजेंट रहे, और तू और भी अच्छे फोटो खींचे, और सबसे अच्छे फोटो मेरे खींचे। बस यही मैं चाहती हूँ। लव यू।
इस बात का भी यकीन हो गया कि हमारी फिल्मों की तरह हमारी जिंदगी में भी एंड में सब ठीक हो जाता है। हैप्पीज एंडिंग्स। और अगर ठीक ना हो तो वो दी एंड नहीं है दोस्तों। पिक्चर अभी बाकी है।
बर्थडे मुकड़ू बेटा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। खुश रहो, सुखी रहो बेटा।
मेरे यार, तेरे फ्रेंड्स, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड, तेरी एक्स, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली इकट्ठे। हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे। आज पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे। हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे। आज तो पार्टी जब तक फटते, नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे। हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे। आज तो पार्टी जब तक फटते, नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे।